Hey, what's up? It's your girl GasmineWithAG back at it again with another video. So, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell, and also hit the notification bell because you're not going to know that I post a video like I always say. And also hit that bell to support me. So, today's video is going to be about how to do a no makeup look. This is something that I always do. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear makeup, this is something that I do because I like my makeup to feel light and natural. I don't want to feel caked on. I don't want to feel like I'm wearing too much makeup. And also, one of my subscribers had requested it, and so I'm gonna give it to y'all, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how I put my makeup on to make it look natural. And first I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. I already have an eyebrow tutorial, so you can go ahead and click that link. I'm gonna put the link down at the bottom, but go ahead and click the video. Also, if I forget to put it, I'm sure I won't. But yeah, go ahead and click the link at the bottom. And I put that. I'm gonna just go ahead and go fast with my eyebrows because I'm in a rush kinda. And this makeup does not take long, trust me. It's quick and easy. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you. I be stuttering. I hate it. I'm gonna show you guys how I put on my makeup and to have it look natural. So first, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. If you want it to be slow and like actually show you how to do it, just go ahead and click the other video. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And I forgot to put my YouTube music on, so I'm gonna put that on, because I'm not starting this video over. So yeah. Skip these commercials. Hold on. This is funny. Okay. I was supposed to put it on before I started the video. Too bad. Put this down. So if you want to see the video on how I do my eyebrows, go ahead and click my eyebrow tutorial video so I can break it down to you in that one. And the reason I'm playing the music in the background is because I don't edit my videos. I just, I post them. This is the raw cut, y'all. Get it, okay? And then when I mess up on my eyebrows, I guess I can go back and fix them. I'm messing up on them sometimes. It's making them too thick. Thank you guys for supporting my channel and coming back. But yeah, my eyebrows, I'm gonna try to do them faster because I already have a tutorial on this and I don't want to really break it down again. Just go ahead and support me by clicking that video too. I think I should close that now. Right down at the bottom, if there's any other videos, oh wow, commercials, see? I probably need to start editing my videos again. We don't want commercials. Yeah, I used to edit my videos. I stopped editing them because my computer, it would, like while I'm editing, it would not find the files that I just uploaded and saved. Cause like I save while I edit my videos. So it won't lose the files and it still end up doing it. So I just like, forget it. I'm not gonna edit them. I'm just gonna like go raw cut. And just upload it. It's been working out perfect for me because I don't have to like edit anything. The longest process of my makeup is my eyebrows, so bear with me, y'all. Everything else is like 2 seconds, literally. Because of makeup, I put it on light. And y'all, if you feeling insecure or anything, I want you to just wake up and look at yourself in the mirror and just thank God that you're even alive for one. Because it's definitely a blessing to wake up. It really is. We over here worrying about, oh, I don't like how my nose look, or I don't like how this look. We should be grateful that we are breathing. But yeah. And I just want you to know that you're perfectly made in God's eyes. And you're perfectly made. So the insecurity is just something in yourself. We all have insecurities, you know? I have insecurities. But I know I'm blessed. And I don't let those insecurities overtake me. Like, I got something in my eyelashes. And I have an eyelash tutorial too, so I'm just going to do this fast. So if you want to see how to put your eyelashes on, go ahead and click that video. Go ahead and click that video so you can know how to put your lashes on. Here. I'm something else though. I'm really clicking through the commercials. Wow. See? That's mine. That's good. I need to start editing my videos. They said, what? You thought we wasn't gonna play commercials? Everything is just going on, huh? But we're still going to get through this video because I got somewhere to go. Did I exit? Tell me why I just exit the whole YouTube thing. Well, while that's loading, I'm gonna just put this eyelash on. Whatever. I'm not about to do that. I guess we have music for a couple seconds. This was just a quick video, so yeah. to show you guys what lip gloss I use for my lips. It's like the best lip gloss. You get it from the beauty supply, and it's very affordable. It's $1 and plus tax, which is perfect. It's Shea Butter. Shea Butter lip gloss. I have glue on my nails. But it's Shea Butter lip gloss. The best. I don't know if you can't see it. I put the Shea Butter lip gloss on, and I put the Vaseline, the pink Vaseline for my lips. But okay, this is what I do with my face. I'm telling you guys, like, I don't really do much. It's really natural. I put my foundation. All I do is put my foundation on whatever it is that you're gonna dab it on. Which you can put it. You can use a sponge as well. So I told you my makeup. This is really my makeup. I don't have no fancy brushes, nothing. So you're gonna see broken brushes. It still works. So I'm gonna dab on my foundation on my blemishes, on my dark spots and stuff. And you gotta dab it on, because if you just like rub it, it is not going to come on right. It's just, you're just smearing it. So you dab it. Just dab it all over. I don't even contour. I don't do none of that. You know, you can actually use concealer and just dab that on the blemishes and use that as a foundation, and it will look exactly the same. Natural. But you want the concealer to match your skin tone. You don't want it to be too light. But yeah, that's all I do. I put that on. Close this up. And what kind of foundation I use? I use LA Girl Coffee, because I'm chocolate. I use the LA Girl, and also I use the FENTY Trophy Wife. The best highlighter ever, because it lasts forever. I'm telling you guys. It's hard not to look at myself because I'm trying to see how my makeup is coming out on camera. So I'm sorry, I'm not looking over there at you guys. I know it's like, I don't know, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I'm gonna put this highlighter on. And a little bit, trust me, a little bit goes a long way. Trust me, it's the best. I put too much over here, so I'm gonna have to use my finger to blend that. I put a little too much right there. But you see how bum this is? Rihanna, you're like the best. But I don't do much with my face. Just blend that in with my finger because I added a little too much. I'm gonna add a little bit above my lip. And yes. So let me get my little, I sometimes use this. It's a little contour palette. I don't use this all the time. It's BK by Kiss. I guess I'm just using it right now, just because. What time is it? Okay, I have time, guys. What? Okay. So I guess I could do the most, but I don't do this all the time, so I'm gonna just do it right now. It's a I use the darkest one to give my cheekbones like that look. So get the darkest one and just go like this. natural your makeup's gonna come out. And that's all I do. That's it. That's literally it. Everything that I do. So the lip gloss I use shea butter and Vaseline. I'm gonna fix my lip gloss right now. But yes, and I just dropped my Vaseline. But look at that. You see how natural that is? And it's not gonna feel heavy. It's gonna feel so natural. You're not gonna feel nothing on your face at all. So go ahead and do what I said and do it this way, or whatever way you feel like it's gonna work for you. But I feel like this is like the most easiest, quickest method. The longest process is the eyebrows, okay? So if you liked any of these ideas that I put out there, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell. And thank you for coming and watching me on and getting ready with me, because I gotta go, y'all. I'm over here rushing. So thank you for getting ready with me and seeing how I put my natural look, no makeup look on for the day, and it comes out so good and it doesn't feel heavy at all. You literally feel like you don't have makeup on. So trust me, try it. So thank you again for coming back, and to come back for more, because your girl's gonna be posting more. And put down at the bottom what you guys want to see, or what you guys, you know, any other videos that you guys want to know or anything, just come at the bottom. Thank you.